fucking, sorry to swear, but her damn bottle she left here. Cleaning lady. Cleaning lady. Cleaning lady. Cleaning lady. Cleaning lady did this. Trash still everywhere. Even more than yesterday. Or a couple days ago, actually. This is a day or two ago. Still a bunch of shit lying on the floor here. Even more than yesterday. Cigarette butts everywhere. And that's from the other day as well, as you can see here. Still from 2 days ago when I had my cigarette butt. Actually, that might have been 3 days ago. Some rocks left here, probably since this afternoon, since I've been here. Trash still everywhere, like little bits of garbage, leaves, debris. A little bit of debris there. Over here, not horrible. Not really anything major.